Time to release some ladybugs. First, I have to mist the plants. I've kept the ladybugs in the fridge while waiting to release them. And here are the ladybugs. There are 4,500 of them in this bag. So I've kept them in the fridge and kept a little bit of water on them until I'm ready to release them. And now it's dark out, so I'm going to release a few into the garden. So come watch. So I know these plants right here have had some aphids on them, so I'm going to just spray a fine mist of water and just dump them on, just like that. Okay, I've come to another plant and I'm just going to dump them on over here. And that's that. Tomorrow night, I'll release a few more. Okay, now that it's morning, I wanted to show you that the ladybugs are successful. Look at that.